Hey golf lovers, want to fix your swing, boost your speed, and sink more putts? Here are 5 golf training aids that can seriously help. Let's dive right in. 1. PuttOUT Devil Balls. The PuttOUT Devil Balls are no joke. These little devils exaggerate your putting mistakes, so you have to strike the ball dead center to get it to roll straight. It's frustrating at first, but incredibly effective. Master these and real golf balls will feel like cheating. 2. SuperSpeed Golf Training System. This one's for those who want more swing speed, fast. The SuperSpeed system uses weighted clubs and a proven protocol to help increase your swing speed over time. It's trusted by tour pros, and if you stick with it, you can easily add 5 to 10 miles per hour to your swing. 3. The Connector by Sure Golf. Simple yet genius. The connector is a small strap that goes between your arms to help you stay connected throughout your swing. It improves tempo, consistency, and keeps your arms from flying out of sync. Great for both beginners and seasoned players. 4th Divot Board. Instant feedback, every single swing. The divot board shows your club path and where your club actually contacts the ground. It helps you fix fat shots, slices, or early releases in minutes. Just a few swings on this and you'll know what you need to correct. 5. Tour Aim 2.0. The Tour Aim 2.0 is like a Swiss Army knife for alignment. It trains you to aim properly whether you're putting, chipping, or hitting full shots. Most amateurs misalign without realizing it, and this tool fixes that fast. Plus, it's easy to use at home or on the range. That's it. 5 training aids to help you play better golf starting today. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more simple gear tips. See you in the next one.